even have a permit to be here. Hey, don't fuck around. Do not fuck around. I'm tired. I'm tired. We are not living. This is not okay. This is not okay. Nonsense.
Welcome back to all of my faithful subscribers. I say karibu tena and asante, and to all of my new viewers, I say karibu and asante for your viewership. So you guys, China is at it yet again on our beautiful continent. And I'm going to tell you guys that the video that you just saw was a clear message and indication. The clear message was he had the original woman in handcuffs in her own land. He handcuffed the original woman in her own land, which happens to be Alkebulan, the mother of civilization, of human existence. This is where it began. Handcuffed in her land. That is a clear indication that those Asians are saying, we have you in bondage. You have yet again been placed in bondage in your land. It was a clear message. You are in bondage, Africa. Alkebulan, original people. We have you in bondage. The very fact that he had the testicular fortitude to handcuff one of our womb men tells you it is a clear indication that he is not concerned about any type of repercussions, because he knows that there probably will be none, because the people have already been placed under subjugation. Again, that is why he's doing what he's doing so freely. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. This is not the third time. And sadly, it won't be the last time. Until you all wake up out of your sleep and slumber and realize what is really going on our continent and to us wherever we are. We can still salvage our dignity, our nation, our lands, if we step up to the plate, if we remove the veil from our eyes, if we come up out of our lazy slumber of stagnation, of willful ignorance, and seek to remember who we are. Don't you think it's about time, beloveds? Don't you think it's about time, royal ones, original ones, beautiful ones? Don't you think it's about time that we just wake the hell up? I mean, has over 500 years not been enough time? Has it not been enough suffering for you? Has it not? Has it not been enough bloodshed for you? Has it not? Embarrassment. Aren't you tired? They're sending a clear message that they have you in bondage in your own land. They have made their chess move. Now, what are you all going to do about it? We need to stop this rumbling and mumbling against one another. Come together. Oh, conscious ones. Those that have bethought themselves. Those that have a yearning to bethink themselves and know who they are. We need to rise up to the occasion, to the bar that we set for our own selves, because we are the origin. You see, they've already set their bar. They've already set their standards. They've already laid out their terms and conditions. They've already let it be known what the repercussions would be if you tried that shit in their land. And so don't you think it's only befitting that you do the same? For you are the example, because you are the origin. And you are here to set things back in order and in balance. The whole world has been flipped upside down. It is out of course. It's flipped upside down. It is time for us to flip it right side up. Those of us that know why we are here. That we are not here in any way, shape, form, or fashion to perpetuate the status quo. We know that. Men of our nation, this Asian man had the nerve, had the gall to handcuff your sister, your mother. The one who all life flows through. He had the nerve to handcuff her in this land. The land of our great ancestors and forefathers. He had the nerve to handcuff her. And he did it because he knew that she was not protected. Now, grateful for the brother that verbalized his disdain regarding the sister being handcuffed. But that is not enough. He physically put his hands on her. He physically attached cuffs of bondage on her and humiliated her and degraded her in her own land. In the presence of her men, her brothers, the fathers. And I will say again that you can't go over to their land and do this shit without there being any repercussions. So why then, original ones, royal ones, beautiful ones, beloved, why then are there no repercussions for them when they do it to us and ours in our lands? Please wake up. Wake up. It is time. It is time. This shit has got to stop. They've made their chess move. Now, what are you going to do? Until next time, you guys, be good.